Welcome to my channel English Learnings BD, The Hare and the Tortoise, the sequel. After the legendary race, the hare and the tortoise became unlikely friends. One day, the forest announced a new challenge, a team relay race. The hare approached the tortoise, saying, "Let's race together." On race day, they stood at the starting line, ready to show the power of teamwork. The hare sprinted first, swiftly covering the flat terrain. When they reached a steep hill, the hare carried the tortoise on his back, using his speed to climb effortlessly. Next, they faced a slippery stream. The tortoise took the lead, carefully navigating the rocks while the hare followed, learning to move with caution. The dense forest posed another challenge, but the tortoise found a path through the underbrush, and the hare cleared the way. As they neared the finish line, a wide river blocked their path. The hare swam across with the tortoise on his back, pushing through the strong current. Emerging on the other side, they caught their breath and, side by side, crossed the finish line. The forest erupted in cheers. The hare and the tortoise had proven that true success comes from combining strengths and working together, becoming an enduring symbol of unity and friendship. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.